Concept 7, the soil and rocks below the Earth's surface consists of a saturated and unsaturated zone. The top of the saturated zone is called the water table. A type of monitoring well called a piezometer can be used to define top of the saturated zone. Okay, so these are the recharge water bottles, and they are going into the recharge area. And these are the dyed piezometers. Our water table shows that the water is higher near the middle and in the recharge areas.
The texture of the materials in the aquifer affects the rate of the flow through the aquifer. So as you can see, we injected dye into piezometers A and C, and the dye in piezometer A actually moved much quicker than the one piezometer C. Piezometer A actually filled up a lot quicker because it's closer to the recharge area, and as well as above the confined layer, so it is in the unconfined layer, and this is why it filled up a lot faster than C did.
Okay, so the pumping wells draw water towards them from all directions, and the water table gradually becomes lower around a well in an unconfined aquifer as water is withdrawn from the ground. The unsaturated zone, which is the zone that has been dewatered around the well, is called the cone of depression or drawdown cone. And that's okay, so we've inserted our pumping device into well number 2, and as we start pumping, you should notice that piezometers E, C, and D all come towards the pumping well a lot faster than all the other ones. And as we pump, we are creating a zone of depression, and all the dye is traveling towards it.
Human activities at or near the land surface can contaminate groundwater. We poured dye into the leaky lagoon. The water in the leaky lagoon quickly dispersed into the unconfined aquifer. Water is recharged by precipitation and snowmelt. For concept 21, we sprinkled dye onto the surface of the earth, and then we sprinkled water on top of the dye. Alright, this shows how the pollutants can easily disperse into the unconfined layer from the Earth's surface, and how easily snowmelt and precipitation can clarify that unconfined aquifer. I believe